going? There you go. Jeremy is getting to feel special to drive the Fiesta. Oh, keep us on the road there. Just a creeping along. Don't get her stuck like I did right here. Keep going. Easy there. Alright, we're turning around here. There's a lot of big rocks right here. Don't break truck on rocks. I bet we're gonna get stuck. Fuck it, we got full drive. Go. On. Easy, wait, let off. Ah! I smashed my finger! Go. On, off. Go. Woo! Oh my God. Now we're moving. Hold on, stop. Hit brakes. Go now, bitch! Get used to this thing. Easy. We got brakes. They go to the floor, but they work. Ah! Hold on, hit them. Hit the brakes. All right, you're gonna do burnout. You're gonna learn how to do burnout. All right. Put the brakes to the floor. Put the gas to the floor. Ease off the brakes. You got some power? My phalange hurts. Where's it going? My truck? Jeremy! Phone park!